TVJ? Nalulugi nga ba? Yan po ngayon lumalabas sa mga ilang social media posts. At meron nga tayo nakitang post ngayon galing sa Kapatid Insider. Ayan, ito lang po. Basahin na natin ang kanilang post. KI News Scoop in the country. Longest running noontime show now having problem with its budget? May question mark to. This is now the question after numerous reports have circulated that TVJ Production, the current producer of the country's longest running noontime show, Eat Bulaga, is now facing problem with its budget. According to some reports, one of the problems of the set production firm is the increasing amount of its annual budget. While the revenues of the program coming from its sponsors and advertisement decreases. Allegedly, the set noontime show agreed the slowly reduce its an ad rate during the first week of April, ahead of the Jamie 7 premiere of its rival program ABS-CBN Studios It's Showtime. One of our sources also cited that TV host comedian Joey De Leon, one of the program main hosts and producer, complains about the increasing budget of the program. A meeting between heads of TVJ Production and MediaQuest Holdings is expected to happen this week to settle the said problems surrounding the program. TVJ Production and MediaQuest Holdings TV5 parent company is yet to release a statement regarding this matter. Oh. So, totoo to. Kung magkaka-meeting si TVJ at ang MediaQuest. So guys, antayin natin ang resulta ng kanilang meeting o kung totoo man to. Di ba guys? So ayun nga guys, so, medyo may pagka-totoo to kasi galing to sa insider ng ng TV5, di ba? So, kung totoo to, so maglalabas ang statement ng or ang TVJ at ang MediaQuest. Diba guys? So yan ang abangan natin guys. Diba? So kung totoo, so ibig sabihin may epekto talaga yun nangyaring pagsanib puwersa ng ABS-CBN Studios at ang Jimmy 7 through It's Showtime. Diba guys? So kung natatandaan nyo, umere ang It's Showtime sa Jimmy 7 noong April 6 at base sa ratings na inilabas ng AGB Nielsen or Newtam ratings ay ang It's Showtime ay nakuha ang 9.6 compare ng Eat Bulaga ay 4.4 lamang. So, mahigit kalahati po ang lamang ng It's Showtime. So, may posibilidad po na totoo ang balitang ito na nilabas ito ni Kapatid Insider. So, yan po ang abangan natin. Diba guys? So, at na nilabas din pala ng ibang mga social media outlet na yung ads yata pumasok sa It's Showtime parang 185 ads 180 o 159 ba I'm not sure pero 100 plus and then yung sa TV5 at Eat Bulaga parang wala pang 109 nasa 80 plus yata or 90 plus parang ganun basta ganun Hindi siya umabot ng 100. Ang TV, ang id Shoten parang, ayun, mahigit 100 na ads pumasok. Diba? So, abangan po natin ang mga susunod na pagtatapat ng id Shoten at ng id Bulaga. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. God bless all. Bye-bye.